Welcome to this overview of the YiHi SX Mini Q class. The Q class comes in a solid presentation box. Inside you'll find the SX Mini Q class, an instruction manual and a warranty card. There is also a USB cable for charging and connection to the PC. The Q class is a powerful 200-watt device with perhaps the best temperature sensing and control features found in any regulated mod to date. It's beautifully made from zinc alloy and stainless steel. This is a large device, however it is very light and ergonomically designed to fit very nicely in the hand. It features excellent quality buttons, 510 connection and finish. The steel side panels can easily be removed to access the battery compartment or to fit different color panels. These panels will be available separately. They are very firmly held in place by strong magnets and feature an excellent paint finish. The chassis is made from zinc alloy and is very strong and light. Excellent gold-plated terminals are fitted to the dual 18650 battery compartment. The Q class is a series device. Positive and negative marks are located in the battery tray. Always ensure new, good condition, high quality batteries are fitted correctly as shown. The side panels or covers simply snap back into place. To turn on the SX Mini Q class, press the fire button 5 times. The SX Mini logo will show, followed by the SX450J logo. The Q class user interface is almost identical to that of the M class and ML class. By pressing the up button will cycle between 5 memory presets. By pressing up immediately followed by the down button will allow the user to adjust the values for the selected memory location. Pressing the fire button 3 times will lock the device. Press again 3 times to unlock. Pressing the fire button 5 times will enter the menu system. Operation mode can be changed between advanced and novice. Novice mode simplifies the Q class to simply have wattage adjustment and no other features. Advanced mode enables a host of features including memory location, taste settings and temperature sensing. There are 5 configurations that can be set using sxi-q software that in effect act as user-defined shortcuts or presets to all the settings available. The user can adjust the wattage for the current memory location, exit the menu, power off the device, and enable link for PC connection. The display can also be orientated. Auto uses a gravity sensor to correctly display the information. Choose between wattage or dual mode for temperature sensing. There is also a tilt sensor for altering values. In dual mode, the output can be lifted up to 120 joules. Temperature can be adjusted. Unit of heat measurement can also be changed between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Also, the wire type can be selected for temperature sensing. This includes stainless steel 304, titanium, nickel, manual TCR control and SX Pure. Compensation for ambient room temperature is also available. When When a temperature sensing atomizer is attached, correctly adjust the joules and the desired temperature and select the correct coil or wire type. Before using, always make sure to press both the up and down buttons simultaneously to lock the resistance of the atomizer whilst it is at ambient room temperature. Once again, ambient temperature can be adjusted. By pressing the down button, we'll cycle through soft, standard, powerful, powerful plus ramp up times. There are also 5 sxi-q user-defined power curve settings. sxi-q control is an interface designed to allow the user to customize and fully control their vaping experience. To connect to the sxi-q software, ensure the Q class link is turned on from within the device menu. Go to Connection. You may be prompted to download any new firmware that's available from the YiHi website. Download the file, open it and upgrade. The settings screen allows the user to alter all of the parameters that are available on the Q class menu system. However, here you can store the settings to your PC or export them directly to the Q class. These user settings are then immediately available by simply choosing one of the 5 configuration settings on the Q class menu system. The first parameter is temperature. To access this, dual mode needs to be selected. Compensate for room temperature. Dial in the exact coefficient of resistance of the chosen wire for temperature sensing, and choose the watts or joules. The user can open or save these settings to the PC or export to the Q class here. The right-hand side section shows the familiar SX controls. All of these settings can be assigned to C1 to C5, saved to the PC or device and accessed within the configuration options on the Q class. The sxi-q screen shows a graph that represents the power delivery over a duration of time, or the button press. Taste modes. The SX Mini series of mods have preset ramp-up time control labelled as soft, standard, powerful and powerful plus. The Q class has 5 additional user sxi-q settings. Simply drag and drop a point on the curve to alter this profile. This is really useful to compensate for battery pulse drop or for different wire gauges and more complex atomizer builds. In particular with complex atomizer builds using a combination of different wires exhibiting multi-stage heating effects. Again, these settings S1 to S5 can be saved to the PC or exported directly to the Q class. In addition, the Q class adds a new level of control over the ML class and will allow for control of both the power and temperature curves independently. The SX Mini Q class is a compact, elegant and extremely well built 200-watt device featuring class-leading electronics for a truly customizable vape experience. Thank you for watching this user guide and overview for the YiHi SX Mini Q class.